Good morning, sir. So today I am doing this video presentation on my own process plan of a product which I designed myself. So the question is this: prepare a suitable process sheet to produce a finished structure with an aluminum material of height 140 and diameter 80. So all the dimensions are in by the way. So all the calculations or everything has to be shown, and this is the final product, which has to be a 140 height, 80 diameter, and a drilled hole in the center with a radius of 10 and a few grooves at the top. This is a part where the sections are separated. The A part is the length, the B part is a diameter, the C part is the grooves, and the D part is a drilled hole. And so the step one is the casting of the overall cylinder. So using the casting process, I have designed the raw material, which is an aluminum cylinder. The dimension of the raw material is taken as 150 height and 90 diameter, so that when processes are done, we can have a control of over the final dimension. The second step is phasing along A. So the phasing operation is carried out along the length of the raw material. The length is brought down from 150 to 140 The machine tool used here is a lathe. The cutting tool used here is a single point cutting tool. The tool holding device is a tool post, and a work holding device is a spindle chuck. The values of L, D and N are 10 90 and 150 RPM respectively. So when substituting these values into the formula for speed, we get the answer as 42.39 millimeter per minute. And I have decided that the feed will be 0.1 millimeter per revolution, and hence the machining time is also calculated. Now we move on to the next step, and before moving on to the next step, so we can see the product now brought down to 140 with, and the diameter is still 90 So now we have to work on reducing the diameter from 90 to 80 This is why we are doing the turning process. This turning process is done along B, which is the diametrical section. So the turning operation is done along the circumference of the cylinder, so that the diameter is brought down from 90 to 80 The machine tool, cutting tool, the work holding and the tool holding devices are same as that of the phasing operation, because the turning operation can also be done using the lathe. So yeah, the machine tool is the lathe, the cutting tool is a single point cutting tool, the tool holding device is a tool post, and work holding device is a spindle chuck. And the machining process parameters are also calculated as per the previous process. And this is the diagram after which this is the diagram of the raw material which looks after the phasing process and the turning process. So now we move on to the next process, which is grooving at C. We have seen a few grooves at the topmost part, upper part of the product. So now we move on to making those grooves. This grooving operation is carried out approximately 8 from the top side along the circumference of the raw material consecutively 4 times, with a height gap between each groove of 2 yeah, so this process is also done using the lathe. The groove depth of cut is around 4 millimeter, and the process parameters are also calculated. Here, since again this process is carried out in the lathe, the machine tool, cutting tool, the tool holding device and the work holding devices are the same. There is no change in them. And this is the diagram after which the grooves are taking place. So now we have one more process left before going on to the finishing, which is the drilling of the hole. So yeah, now we come and drill the hole in the center, the drilling at D part. So here the machine tool used is a radial drilling machine. The cutting tool is a twist drill bit. The tool holding device is a machine spindle, and the work holding device is a machine vise. So we create a hole of diameter 20 It is carried out in the raw material, so that it's a full hole. That is, if we look from one side, we will be able to see the other side. It's a proper full hole. Yeah, so it's a proper full hole. And the process parameters are also calculated here. The values of L, D and N are 90 20 and 150 RPM respectively. The speed comes to around 9.42 millimeter per minute. The feed is taken as 0.2 millimeter per revolution, and the machining time as per the formula comes to around 3 seconds. Yeah, and the depth of cut is around 10 mm by the formula of d by 2. Yeah, so this is the process where the radius and the hole is done, shown. So this is the, now we move on to the final parts, which is the finishing processes. Finishing processes, since we have reached the finishing process, it means that we have almost finished manufacturing the product. So here we are doing lapping process. The workpiece is fixed in a V block, and using the lapping plate, the workpiece is rubbed manually and the material removal taking place. Finally, good surface finish of the component is obtained. The machine tool used here is a hand lapping. The cutting tool is a lapping plate. There is no tool holding device, and the work holding device is a V block. That is the product which we obtained till there is kept in a V block, and the process of lapping is done. And the process parameter is only machining time, which comes to around 1 minute. And this the next step is the honing finishing process. Again, the workpiece is fixed in a V block. Using the honing stone that is held through the mandrel of the honing tool, the internal hole is rubbed and the material removal taking place. And finally, a good surface finish inside the hole is obtained. The machine tool is a honing tool, and the cutting tool is a honing stone, and the work holding device here is a V block, and there is no tool hold. There is not much of a necessity to use a tool holding device, and the machining time is 1 minute. And these two slides are an overall a process table of all the processes taking place at different sections and what all tools are being used, and it also contains the machining parameters. So this is basically a summary. So we'll go through the summary once. The first part is done. The first process is done at section A. Freezing process is done. The lathe machine is used, and the single point cutting tool is used. The workpiece is placed in a spindle chuck, and the tool holding device is a tool post. The machining time is given there, and we know the description. And then the next process is done at B. It is a turning process. The machine tool holding device, and the work holding device and the tool used are same as that is the freezing process, and the machining time is also same. So the turning process is used so that the diameter of the raw material comes from 90 mm to 80 mm. The third step is the grooving process. We have seen a few grooves at the topmost upper part of the finished product. So using this grooving process, we are making those grooves. The same machine and the tool, the work holding, the tool holding devices are used as that of the freezing process and the turning process. The machining parameters are given there, and the grooving process is carried out 8 mm from the top, that is the most important, along the circumference of the raw material consecutively 4 times the height difference of 2 mm. The next process is the drilling process. The drilling process is done to drill the hole in the center with a radius which has a radius of 10 mm. The radial drilling machine is used, and the tool used is a twist drill bit. The work holding device is a machine vise, and the tool holding device is a spindle. So now we move on to the last two processes, which is lapping and honing. Lapping is done on sections A, B, C, and it is done using a hand lapping machine, and the tool used is a lapping plate, and the work holding device is a V block. Since the process is done manually, there is no requirement for a tool holding device, and the machining time is 1 minute. So the description reads: the workpiece is fixed in a V block. Using the lapping plate, the workpiece is rubbed manually and the material removal takes place. Finally, good surface finish component is obtained. And the last process is called the honing. Honing is done on section D to make sure the hole drilled is finished properly. It is done by a honing tool. The machine uses a honing tool, and the tool uses a honing stone. The same as before, the work holding device is a V block, and again this process is also done manually, so there is no requirement for a tool holding device. The machining time is also 1 minute. So the total machining time for manufacture of this one product comes to about approximately 8 minutes. So it takes 8 minutes to manufacture this particular design of what I have created. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.